The Wardenclyffe Tower, Tesla's world wireless system. In France's picturesque Loire Valley stands Château de Brissac, also known as the Giant of the Loire. This imposing chateau, with its towering turrets and centuries of history, is one of France's most captivating castles. Beneath its beauty lies a chilling secret. Château de Brissac is haunted by the ghost of the Lady in Green. The Lady in Green is believed to be Charlotte de Brézé, the illegitimate daughter of King Charles VII, who met a tragic fate in the chateau. Married to Jacques de Brézé, she was killed along with her lover when Jacques discovered the affair. This violent act is thought to have bound Charlotte's spirit to the castle, where she is now seen as the Lady in Green. Charlotte's ghost is often described as a tall figure in a green dress with hollow eyes and a disfigured face. Her spirit is most frequently seen in the early morning hours, with her moans and whispers echoing through the chateau's grand halls. Some guests report seeing her near the tower rooms where she met her untimely end, a haunting reminder of her tragic death. Beyond sightings of the Lady in Green, Château de Brissac is known for other paranormal activity. Visitors experience sudden cold drafts, feelings of unease, and strange nighttime noises. Even the current residents, the Duke and Duchess of Brissac, have reported hearing footsteps and voices when alone. Despite its haunted reputation, Château de Brissac remains a beautiful piece of French history, attracting visitors worldwide. The serene beauty of the chateau, contrasted with the presence of the Lady in Green, adds to its allure.